Chef Tiffany.
I'm a 12.
And you're watching the Puzzle Kids Cooking Show.
Woo!
Oh yeah. Welcome back. As you know, I'm Chef Tiffany. So, we're gonna be today's episode is welcome back to the Puzzle Kids Cooking Show. As you know, I'm Chef Tiffany, and what we do here is help my little brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. So today's episode is 4th of July surprise. Get the surprise at the end. And we'll be making Lucas's shrimp mac and cheese. So for the mac and cheese, you will need, of course, macaroni noodles, which we pre-cooked. And at the moment, I'm making a bechamel. And for that, you will need 3 kinds of cheese. We got cream cheese, some Gouda, and some chopped cheddar. Milk, flour, butter, seasonings, which is optional, and scripts. So I got most of the bechamel done right now. Just going to add the cheese. Now let's add the cream cheese. And mix that up. That's looking good. We got all that goodness. Now I'm going to add some seasonings. We got some pepper. Some basil. And a little bit of chili powder. But not too much. I don't want to burn off their taste buds. Unless I want to do tomato. Anyway. Okay. Gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Now, I'm about to add the macaroni noodles. Okay. I'm gonna mix it up if I can. Yeah. Okay. For the person recording me. I'm going to say it correctly. I'm not going to name any names, my mother. So I'm about to say this correctly. I'm going to add the shrimp, since you guys probably been saying shrimp, into the mac and cheese. I'm going to add a few from now and start mixing it up. Add some more shrimp. And now the rest. And for tasting. And when we come back, it's going to be time for today's sidebar. And now it's time for today. And now it's time for today's sidebar. Today's sidebar is very simple. Safety precautions when dealing with fireworks. Stay 5, 6, 10 feet, 10 feet away from the fireworks if you're a kid. Because I don't want to see anybody on the news saying something's happened with fireworks and they too close. And because if I find out that happens, I will find you. No, I'm just kidding. And that's today's sidebar. Thank you. And now we're about to head to the table, watch season 3 of Stranger Things. We got the taste test of mac and cheese right here. And we'll be the taste testing. Got the nuttiness. Real good. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at PKCS2018. And see y'all next time.
Goodbye, Terrell.
But seriously, if you ain't careful with the fireworks, and I find you on the news. Bye! And what we do here is help my little brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. So today's episode is 4th of July surprise.
More surprise.
And we will be making Lucas's shrimp mac and cheese. If you're wondering who Lucas is,
No way.
you can watch season 3 of Stranger. For our ingredients, we will need, of course, macaroni noodles. We have it already cooked for time purposes. We got cheese, we got 3 grams of cheese, we got cream cheese, some Gouda, some chopped cheddar. We got milk, flour, butter, seasonings, which are optional, and scripts. So first, I will add the butter to the pan, or more so a pot. Okay.